home button missing in my Samsung device. How do I get my home button back on my Android? Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first open your settings, and then from here you will have to search for navigation options. Simply search for navigation. Then tap on navigation bar. So due to latest update, it might have been converted to swipe gesture, but if you want your button gesture, button type, navigation type back, simply select buttons and you will be done. Now as you can see, I have got back my home button. How do I get my home button back on my Android? Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first open your settings, and then from here you will have to search for navigation options. Simply search for navigation. Then tap on navigation bar. So due to latest update, it might have been converted to swipe gesture, but if you want your button gesture, button type, navigation type back, simply select buttons and you will be done. Now as you can see, I have got back my home button. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.